Hi, hello, welcome to PickMyAd. PickMyAd is an influencer marketing platform where the brands can easily find their favorite YouTubers. So the YouTubers here can create ad slots for their upcoming videos. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how PickMyAd works. I'm going to show you how a creator can sign up, create an account, and how to create ad slots. And also, I'm going to show you how a brand will be onboarding and how a brand can make the booking. So I'm going to walk you through the entire cycle here. So stay tuned with me. Let's get into it. And we have the login option. So you can log in as a creator or as a brand. So the creators are the YouTubers. So if you are a YouTuber, you can click on creator, which will take you to the login page. Here, if you already have an account, just type in your email and password and you can get in. I'm going to show you how to sign up first. All right, I'll put my name, my email, and I'll set a new password. And here I need to enter my WhatsApp number. All right, so the moment I enter my WhatsApp number, I'll be sent an OTP to my mobile. All right, here you go. So I received the OTP. I'm going to type in the OTP here. All right, here we go. Here is the first page after I sign up and verify the OTP. Here I can go ahead and add my channel, and also I received a welcome message on my WhatsApp. All the communication notifications will be sent to your WhatsApp to make things easier. So here I'm going to add my channel. Let me click on the plus button, which will prompt me to connect my account. I'll select an account and I'll choose a channel. All right, and here it asks me for the permission. So PickMyAd is asking for view permission for the basic information about your channel, like your videos playlist, and this is to ensure that you are the real owner of this account. Otherwise, anybody with your channel's URL can create an account and we cannot find who is the original owner of your channel, right? So for that purpose, we want the creators to connect their account with PickMyAd, and it's all handled in the Google's platform. So the moment you click on add channel, you can see it migrated to the Google page. So this is entirely controlled by Google, and we are not saving any of this information like your email or password for your channel account. We are not saving any of those. It's just getting permission from Google. It's just getting the authentication from Google. And here I click allow as a creator, and yep, so here you can see I've added my channel. Now it's time to create my profile for this channel, right? So let me click on configure. Here I can create whatever name I want. Let me just keep it as Tamil Bytes for now, and I'll select a category. Let's say it's about entertainment. So you can keep whatever name you want, but I want my profile should look like pickmyad.com/tamilbytes. So I can share this with anybody. I'm going to choose a language, which is Tamil, and I click on create profile. Hooray. So my profile got configured now, and let me click on select. All right, here is my dashboard for this channel, and I can add as many as channels I want. Each channel will have its own dashboard for you to see as a creator all your statistics like your reports. So for now, I'll just go with this channel. I'm not adding another channel now. I'll click on select. This is the first time I'm signing up with my account, so obviously, as you can see, there is no data for now. All right, so here is the important part. So the moment you get on your dashboard, there are things you can do, which is create a slot, or you can delete a channel by clicking on this gear icon. And here on the profile section, you can see all the channels you've added. And You can sign out, and this is very important part, the profile. So the moment you click on profile, you can see there is a public profile that is generated for you specifically. So here for now there is no data yet, where this is your public URL. You can share with anybody you want. All right, so I'll show you how will it look like after you create a slot. All right, just keep this in mind. This is your public profile. You can share it with any brands that is approaching you. If you're not sure about a particular brand and they are approaching you for a promotion, you just share this URL and ask them to book your slot. I'll show you how will it look like after you create a slot. All right, let's get back to the dashboard. Here you can see the scheduled episode. For now there is nothing, so let me click on create slot. I can give it a name, a title to this slot. It can be the title of the next video, or you can give whatever name you want for a reference. I'll just say unboxing iPhone. All right, and as a creator, here PickMyAd gives the entire control to the creators to be able to say how much views as a creator I can provide for a month, right? So for this slot, as a creator, the minimum you can choose is 10,000, and I'll just keep it as 10,000 for now for this demo. And here submit ad before. So this is the last date before which any brand can book this slot. All right, so here I'll choose July 9th, before which all the brands who are interested in my channel can book the slot. And expected live date is the date on which I'm going to publish my video. All right, and here comes the interesting part again. So here are the different ad types that PickMyAd has curated for you. All right, so you can see a link in the description which explains better about each and every ad types that you see here. You can see what is an intro video, what an intro shout out, what is a backdrop, all these details you can see. We also have a short description about this. So as a creator, here I can choose what ad types I'm going to include in my next video, right? As a creator, let's say I'm interested in doing an intro video. Any brand that is interested in booking this slot, and they can choose this intro video if the brand wants their video to be played for the first 15 seconds of my video, right? So here I'll just choose intro video for now, and I'll put I'm going to charge 100, and you cannot put anything less than 100. 100 is the minimum. So for the demo, I'll just keep it simple. And as a creator, it's you who is deciding this price based on your channel's strength. You know very well how much you can charge for your channel, right? And I'm not choosing any other ad types for now for this demo, but I can choose if I want. If I want to do an intro shout out of any brand that's interested, I can select that too, and I can give it a different price. I'll say 1,000 rupees for that. And if I'm going to do a backdrop, I can choose. And for simplicity, I'll just go with intro video, and I can either save this in a draft. Later on I can edit and then publish it, or I can just directly publish it. All right, so here I'm going to publish it. Before I publish, I want to show you how much you will be earning, right? Like I put 100 rupees for this lot as a creator. How much I will earn is 90 rupees. The 10% will go to PickMyAd. So here PickMyAd provides a transparent pricing. There is no hidden charges. There is nothing that we charge from the brand extra. All right, so whatever you are pricing here will be shown to the brand exactly. So the brand will see this 100 rupees as their price. All right, so the 10% is for the PickMyAd's platform, for the service we offer. All right, so here I'm going to click publish. I've successfully created a slot which I can see here, and I can see the detailed view by clicking on the slot title. Here I can see the type of ad that I've chosen, which I'm going to release on July 14th, like 10 days more. So you can see the timers too. I've now shown you how a creator can create a slot, how a creator can price the ad types, and how he can choose, he or she can choose, right? So here we have another interesting feature, which is links. So as a creator, I may have different social handles, right? So I may have an Instagram account, I may have a Twitter account, or I may have a LinkedIn account, or I may even have my own website for that matter. So I can choose what type of account I have, and I can link all to my public profile. So with one link, what you see here with PickMyAd slash Tamil Bytes, you can add as many as links you want, and you can share it with anybody. So anybody who is visiting this page, they can also access your social media link that you want to link here. So I'll just, for the simplicity, I'll just put Insta, and I'll just choose, sorry, so it's validated, so you cannot do something. All right, I'll just go with Twitter. I'll choose Twitter page. All right, and I hit save. Now if I refresh this page, you can see Twitter is added. All right, if I click this, it'll open up PickMyAd's Twitter handle. All right, so like this, you can choose anything you want. Like, if you have YouTube, like by default we have the YouTube added anyways. If you have another channel that you want to link, you can do that definitely. And if, let's say, you have just a website, you can just choose other, or you have a different URLs that's not listed here, you can choose other, and you can just put your URL and you can name it. I'll say my website. You can name it whatever. I'm just keeping my website, and I click save. All right, and if I refresh this page, you can see you have my website as a brand, or any visitor of this page, if they click this, it will open up the site. All right, as simple as that. And clicking on this channel, you can see all the channels you have. All right, so now that you've seen what we have for the creators at PickMyAd, I'm going to sign out and sign up as a brand and show you how a brand can book the slot that I just created as a creator. All right, let me sign out here as a brand. I click this and I'm going to sign up as a brand. So in the sign up, we ask these information: the name of the brand, the email, the password. Again, that is a WhatsApp verification process. All right, I already have an account. I'm just going to use that account and log in as a brand, and I'll show you how a brand's portal will look like. After you log in as a brand, this is what you will see. All right, so you can see all the YouTubers we have, and you can see different filters. You can categorize or filter the YouTubers based on the categories, or you can filter them based on the subscribers they have, and you can also filter them by country and also by language. All right, so here I'll go for Tamil Bytes, the one we just created now. All right, as a brand, if I click here to view slot, this is what I'll see. I just see the ad types on which this particular YouTuber has created slot, and I can see the title, unboxing iPhone, and the target views the YouTuber is giving as a target is 10K. As I can see the title, unboxing iPhone, and I can see the view target provided by this YouTuber for a month, and I can see the ad type he's ready to do in his next video. So he's okay with intro video and he's charging $100. I'll choose 100 rupees, and I can see as a brand I need to pay the tax, and which is altogether 118 rupees. All right, so let me go ahead and book the slot, which will take you to the payment gateway. You can make the payment with your card, you can use your wallets, or you can even use net banking and choose the bank. I'll just go with the UPI method for now. Let me open the QR code and scan this code and make the payment. All right, the payment was success. It's automatically redirecting me. Cool. The payment was made successfully. And if I click done, it'll take me back to the same page where I can see all the YouTubers. Here we have, like, when you click on my ads, you can see the ad that you just booked, and you can click on this and you can see the type of ad that you booked and the payment status, and the proposal is pending. So now you are waiting as a brand for the creator to accept this proposal. All right. So here you can see all the upcoming videos. You can see what is currently live. You can see all the finished slots, and you can also see if a proposal has been rejected. All right. So here, if I click on discover, again it's the same page. You can search a YouTuber by name. You can choose the YouTubers by the ad types they have, and also based on the date on which they're going to publish the video, the live date. So this is all the information we have here. So any brand that needs to make this booking should go through PickMyAd's KYC process. So know your customer is very important here. Without getting that verification, none of the brands can book slots. So I'll show you by logging in as an unverified brand, and I'll show you how it will work. Okay, so as a brand that is verified, I can see all the slots available. Okay, but as an unverified brand, I cannot see any slots. I can just see all the YouTubers. I can filter. I'll just show that in a second. I'll sign out. All right, here I'm going to sign up as a brand. As a brand, I'm just coming in. I'll provide the brand name. I'll just sign up as PickMyAd, and I'll provide my email. The moment I click sign up, I'll receive a OTP to my WhatsApp number. Cool. This is the dashboard, I mean the portal for the brand. So here you can see as a new brand that I just signed up with a new account, uh, it's asking me to activate the account. So you can see as a newly signed up brand, it needs business activation. Okay, here as a brand, I cannot view any slot because this brand account is not verified yet. So PickMyAd needs certain information from the brand so that they can ensure this brand is real, they are not scam. So any booking the YouTubers are getting from this brand is already verified by PickMyAd. As you can see, as a brand, I can see all the YouTubers. I can see what are the type of ads they are doing, but I cannot view their pricing. I cannot make the booking because they are not verified. So here, as you would have noticed, there is a bell icon for each channel. The reason why we have this is as a brand, I'm interested with this channel, but this channel has not created any slots yet, right? But I'm very interested in doing my promotion with this particular channel. So I can subscribe here so that whenever this particular YouTuber is creating slot at PickMyAd, will be notified through WhatsApp saying that, hey, this channel has created a new slot. Please go ahead and book it first, right? So that this way we are alerting the brands and letting them know that their favorite channel has created the slot, and they will rush and book the slot. So here as a brand, I can subscribe, but I cannot view the slot. I'll click on initiate business activation, and I'll show you what are the information they need to provide. As a brand, you need to enter your country name, the full name, and then the business type, whether it's individual or LLP or partnership. So you can choose whatever that suits you as a brand. and the type of industry that you need to select, and then the business name, the contact number, the work email, website URL, company PAN, authorized signatory PAN, GST number, and they need to submit any one of these documents like cancelled check, bank statement, or registration certificate. And they hit submit. This will change to in progress. They cannot still make the booking. They'll have to wait. Our support team will do the background verification, and they will initiate this process. Once the verification is done, the brands will be notified that their account has been activated and they can start making the booking. So this process, any brand that comes into PickMyAd has to follow just to make sure that we are providing the best brand and the legit brand to the creators. So any creator that is receiving a booking from the brands at PickMyAd, they are all verified, they are genuine, so you don't have to worry about the scammers. Okay, that's the main purpose why we do this process. So now that you have seen a creator created a slot and a brand booked that slot, and I'll again show you as a creator how I will see that booking, right? That's very important, correct? All right. So as a creator, now I need to see the booking that happened, correct? I need to either accept that booking or I need to reject that booking. I'll show you how that works. I'll log in as a creator again and I'll show you how the proposal will look like. All right, the moment I log in, again, I'll select the channel. Here you can see there is one proposal waiting. I'll click on schedule episode. You can also see the same here, one proposal waiting for me. As a creator, I click on this and I'll expand. Here I can see I received a proposal from this company called PickMyAd. If I click on expand, it'll ask me like either I can accept or it'll show me either I can accept or reject this proposal. If I click on reject proposal, as a creator, I need to choose the reason why I'm rejecting this proposal. So this way, we are giving the freedom to the creators to choose the brand they are interested in working with. So here, as a creator, I'm very okay with this brand because it's already verified by PickMyAd as they promised, because without the verification, they cannot make the booking. So I'll accept this proposal. All right, it's success. So as you would have noticed, a new button popped in, go live. This is very important. So as a creator, you have accepted the slot. Now the brand also received a notification in his WhatsApp saying that this particular channel has accepted your proposal. And then as a creator, you will start making the video and PickMyAd will send the appropriate file that you need to insert in your video to promote the accepted brand. Okay, cool. So you have now accepted the proposal. You can see there is a new option that pops in, which is go live. If you click on go live, it'll ask you to submit a URL. So this is very important part as a creator. After you accept this proposal on this particular date, after you've created the entire video and you have inserted the advertisement from this brand, and the video you have to publish on this particular date because that's the date you've created the slots for, right? So on July 14th, you will submit the video at YouTube, and after you upload your video, you have to submit that video URL at PickMyAd. So after you upload the video, copy that video URL from YouTube and paste that URL here and click submit. I'll click on go live. I'll paste this URL. As you'd have seen, video submitted successfully. And this button got changed to add video. I'll explain why this option is. All right, so you have committed like 10,000 views per month for this slot. So as a creator, the moment you submit your video, the view count will start. every seventh day from the date on which you've submitted the URL at PickMyAd, the seventh day you will receive the payment for whatever view that particular video made. Let's say out of 10,000 you've reached more than 10,000, you will immediately, on the seventh day, you will receive the entire payment. For some reason, the video didn't go well as expected. You just reached only 5,000 views for the first seventh day. In that case, you will receive the money for that 5,000 views only. The next week, which is on the 14th day, the system will again check for the view count for that video. And it will check for the target views if it reached 10,000 or not. If it did not reach 10,000, then it will check how many views it went. Let's say the video reached 8,000. Now you will receive a payment for a 3,000 view because you have already received a payment for 5,000 view on the 7th day. Now on the 14th day, you will receive a payment for that 3,000 views. Let's say you've reached more than 10,000 or you reached 10,000, the target you set, you will receive the entire balance after 5,000 views, right? So that will happen. And again, let's say you did not reach that and you just reached 8,000, you can add another video and you can reach the target. Let's say you feel like the video is not going to make that much video. As a creator, you know how that video is going on, and you can decide whether you need to add one more video for the same brand, and you can promote that and you can submit another video as well. So on the 21st day, which is the third week, we will now check how many views that slot made. So now this slot has two different videos. As a creator, you have submitted. Now we will collectively check the view count and we will match with the target view you have set. If it reached 10,000, you will get the entire money. Otherwise, it will again go to the fourth week. So you can submit as many as videos you want to achieve the target within that month. And at the fourth week, we will check for the target. Still, if you haven't reached, let's say you have reached only 9,000 views for the entire month, in that case, the brand will receive a refund for the 1,000 view that did not happen. So that's how this entire PickMyAd payment process will work. So hope it is very clear now how a creator can create the slot, how they can make the booking, and how a YouTuber can also see what book. And also it's very clear for you now how a brand will onboard, how the verification process happens, how the booking happens and all, right? So here, all right, I'll create another slot and I'll show you how this will be displayed on my public profile. Say interview with CM, and I'll just choose a date for the ads. I'll choose a day on which I'm going to make live, on which I'm going to upload my video on YouTube. And I'll just put another pricing for this. I'll say 1,000 rupees. I can choose as many as I want. I'll choose this also. I'll also choose intro shoutout. I'm going to do a backdrop. I'll charge 500 rupees for that. And I'm also going to do an explainer. Any brands, anybody wants their product to be explained. Let's say it's a mobile app that needs some explanation. They can easily book this. And I'm also willing to wear a brand's t-shirt. I'll make the logo inside my video appearing, and I'll also choose, I can choose anything I want. As a creator, I have the freedom, and I also know what are the ad types that will fit my channel. For example, I cannot choose a wearable if I'm a channel that is just doing voiceover, right? So in that case, I cannot choose this ad type. If I'm physically appearing in the video, then I can choose this definitely. All right, for the demo, I'll just choose everything I've created. You can see how much you will make for this slot alone, right? So you can see intro video pricing and everything you've made and what's the service fee that goes to PickMyAd. I'll click publish. I can see it's published, and I'll show you how will it look like in the public profile. Here you can see the different slots you've created. I mean, here you can see the different ad types you've chosen. So any brand that is sending you email or sending message on your Instagram, all that you got to do is create this ad slot for different dates and just copy this URL and share it with that brand. So this way, if the brand is really serious about this, if they really want to make this booking, and if they are ready to promote your product in your channel, then they'll definitely make the booking. If someone is trying to scam you, if someone is trying to cheat you, they are definitely not going to book, and you can just skip them out, right? So this way we are filtering out all the scammers. So we are making sure that PickMyAd is doing business with legit brand, and also the brands whatever is making the booking, they are serious about their business. Okay, I can show you another public URL. How will it look like? Chennai Bikers. Here you can see the latest video they have, and you can see they have not added any link for now, but this is how it will work. So anybody who is interested, they can see your profile just by typing pickmyad.com/ the profile name, and they can just easily book the slot and get their product reach millions of people. Okay, so this is how it works. That's all we have for now at PickMyAd, and hope you've noticed on the landing page we have the mobile app coming soon. So we are working very closely to launch the mobile app, which will make your work much easier and bring everything very handy for you as a creator or as a brand. We are making this mobile app for both. So stay tuned with us, and if you are a creator, we would like to encourage you to share about PickMyAd with other fellow YouTubers and encourage them to make more money by signing up at PickMyAd and creating ad slots. Okay, and as a brand, you can also share with your fellow entrepreneurs, your friends, and let them know that it's a platform that's available where they can book their favorite YouTubers and make the brand go viral. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please ask your questions in the comment section. Our team will reach you immediately. All right, so thanks for your time. Stay safe. Take care.